এখানে চলে যা, এখানে চলে যা। চলে যা না, এখান দিয়ে ক্যাপচার হচ্ছে, এখানে রেকর্ড হচ্ছে।
Okay, for example, this is your pose. The other pose is
দেখতে পাচ্ছি রেকর্ডটা বলে দেবো।
for example like this now. Okay, so you need at least 2 frames only to go there. Okay, 2 frames means 2 hold now. So the first hold, okay, you need to get the pad from here to there. Okay, so this is the gap. You need to fill all these gaps. For example, this is the eyes. This is the hair. This is the ears. Okay. So you have nose, you can put also the nose. Okay. So now this is the hand or the arm. Okay. So from here you have this stretch. So get down the fingers. Okay, for example, there's a float there. Okay. So this is it now. Okay, now we will now start the speed lines. Because he is circling, so the speed lines is circling, right? Okay, so this is what he like. So if you will, just like that. Okay? you got an advance and delay. The others are delayed. Okay, this part is advanced, this part is delayed. So it's two types. Okay, when you color it, the illusion will now come. But because if you will notice this one, you will not notice it much because it's one thing na. But when they have a color, you will see it. Because when the character have colors, become slower, right? So you will see it. Then from here, another frame, you can now create is like this. You can now in between this portion. For example, this part of the hair. So the hair is now coming here. Right? See. Okay? He is circling, going there. Because this is the hair now. He will know. Or you can put it more like this if you want. Then stretch. Get it? So the same thing as the eyes, whatever, no, for the eyes. You can now eye it only. And this part. Right? The nose. The cheek. The ears. This hand. Okay. Alright. So now from here, start little bit now. Not much, but we need to start now. Okay. Get it? So only one frame, huh? One frame. So when you get this one, when he is already there, then the other one is here. Okay, one is in the middle now, and one is you can follow. Yeah, advance or delay or advance. You can now advance this one. You can now delay this one. Okay. Yeah, this is the center. And this is from here to the center, you can create this thing. This is the delay, this is the... Okay. So he will come there, then coming here. From here to here, you need another one also. You can now create the recoil now. Yeah, from here to here, then here. So this is the dark part, right? This is the other dark part. Okay, when you get the center, it's in the center. From here to here, you need to IB it, or you need this one to make it smaller so that he will rotate at that side. Or if you want to rotate here, this one will be smaller. Now, if you want to rotate that part, this one is big, and this follow through will be smaller, no? So that he will rotate at the back. Okay?
So please repeat the last one, whatever you're telling that it is.
Okay, for example, no?
This is rotating from
This one,
back.
this one, this is the middle, no? Our layout, the dart is here. Okay, the other layout, the dart is here. Right? So you can create this one. If your rotation is coming here, this one you can put it center. Then this follow through, the one who are posing like this, he is rotating there or here. Okay. If you want to rotate it there, this one will be smaller. Okay, if you want to rotate it here, this layout should be smaller. Because, yeah.
After that, this will come. This will
Yeah, but after this will become, then the center, then the smaller. So that he is rotating.
Movement of shadow.
Yeah, the movement of the shadows, and because you need to emphasize some hard part now, because if that thing, you will not see the illusion that he is like that. And if this one, okay, for example, this one's like that now. If he's rotating, cut somewhere, for example, cut this one, you will now put like this now. And this one will become bigger, this one will become smaller. So that he is rotating also. For example, we do like this. Okay. Put a portion only. Okay. This is how to construct the twister now. Okay. This part. It looks like a cone. Now, you can now put two constructions. One big on the top, one big on the bottom. Okay. So, when you put this one is more bigger than this one. Not like that when you put a construction, all are the same na. No. Some are bigger, especially on the top, and some bigger on the middle. So that this one, you can create illusion of rotating faster. Even this one, for example, this is the dark part, no? You are doing like this. It's better if you also rotate this part, but not much like this one.
Rotating that side.
Yeah. Okay?
So if it's going this way,
So this one is the first pose, this is the second pose.
and the center will come?
No, the center will be nothing. Yeah, on the other side, no. If you are rotating here, center will come. Okay? That's why I only put the center so that you can also visualize that this center have a center there, no? Right? But not saying that you will not put this one. At least put also. But some dark spot are there, no? You can do, if you're rotating there, you can do the dark spot here, right? Not even. But when these dark spots are now visible, it's now more.
Because he's
Yeah, because he's now rotating. Get it? So this one, this is what I'm saying. It's totally off model, it's totally distorted. Not exaggeration. This is not exaggeration, this is really distorted. Okay. This is really distortion, no? 44 distortion. Okay. Not squash and stretch. This one is distortion. Okay. Because squash and stretch is different. Right? Okay? Oh.